I saw it go, I'm like, no!
Handyman!
Trying to salvage as much as I can. I don't really know where to go from here. I don't know! Oh, it's almost through! Got it! So this is the space that I am working with right now, and this is all the junk that doesn't need to be here. Not all of it's junk, but most of it's junk. Alright, let's get rid of it. All done. Okay, so I had to draw another sketch, and this sketch is going to be a little bit more complicated because this space, I actually have to put stuff in specific spots, especially the plumbing and the dryer vents and things like that, and this is what I'm going for. I'm hoping this is what the space is gonna look like when it's all done. So, let's make it happen.
I also wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to my family for the generous gift. You see this bad boy? It is a cordless bread nailer. And I can't wait to use it. I might actually use it today. But check this out. See this thing? Oh, wait. You see this thing? What? Woo! Okay, wait, one more. Thank you to my parents for such a wonderful gift. I love this thing! It has made my life so much easier!
I can always move it after. Okay, so here's what's going on. I was originally going to cut the floor upstairs where I've been doing all my work. However, I didn't really want to cut the floor, and I was getting really scared because I didn't know what I was going to do. Was I going to rip up the whole thing and have to put in stuff out? Whatever. Anyways, instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the ceiling here. I saw it go, I'm like, no!
Sorry.
It's okay. Alright.
He's okay, guys.
It's anyways, as you can tell, I have a helper. Guest is back. The OG guest. Anyways, we're gonna take out the ceiling here so that I can put all the P-trap and plumbing stuff that I need underneath the floor, because then I can actually meet code. And then we're gonna take out the washer and dryer. We're putting them over here. We're taking them out of the way. I'm actually committing on this because after this, I won't be able to have a washer and dryer until I actually finish everything, which is
inconvenient.
Very. So that one I need to keep. Everything else is, even if it has stuff in it, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. There's a hazardous waste guy.
Goodbye, bleach!
Sometimes when you ask a lady how big your rod is, you can say, it's 5 feet. Here you go. Would you like to hold my rod? Just like that, push my way. Hello, I am the downstairs guy. This is my work area for today. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be doing, so let's get going. I'm the handy candy man. You're gonna see a hole here soon. you guys remember that Mr. Bean sketch where he like put like 2 pencils here and he was trying to measure out like a distance for a window and he like cut it out and he put the drywall in perfectly? Oh, this reminds me of that. Oh man, my shoulder's stiff. Okay, here we go. Shit. Huzzah! We have a doorway. Sort of. There we go. Wasn't expecting to do this yet, but I gotta kill the water. Okay. Making progress. Oh. The pieces are off. Now I can get going with my stuff, finally. Oh, hello, can you hear me? I'm on the other side of the bathroom wall, and it's scary. This is me without a pen. This is me with a pen. Hello, I'm the upstairs guy. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be doing in this general area today, so let's get going. It's a doorway to another dimension. I feel like a kid in a hideout. This is awesome. Whoops. I'm here to get on the road again and to do my demo win. I need to concentrate for this next part. I'm moving some really heavy pieces of wood, so I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Hey, how you doing up there, man? I'm doing alright. Making slow progress, I think. Well, I guess keep up the good work, because I can't see what you're doing. Okay. Okay, so the entire time that I was doing this, and I was like super happy because like all my measurements came out really well, and everything was getting sturdy. I just have to attach this at the top, and then I turn around, and it's not recording. Alright, so upstairs with the other guy, he is taking apart all my other stuff from the closet. If you haven't really been paying attention to my channel or my Facebook page, link in the description below for my Facebook page. I take a bunch of pictures if I don't have time for the video stuff. So anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm basically doing the exact same thing that's up there and here. Yes, I do realize I just grew a foot. But basically, I cut out a box so that I'm gonna make a custom cabinet. I'm going to push it through, and then I'm going to be able to put all my linens right here in this bathroom. I haven't decided yet whether I want to put cabinet doors or not, but anyways, window frame for the window. Keep going. Bee Gees. Alright, so the linen window space or whatever is done. Fantastic. Now I need to build my little unit that I'm going to put in the front. And here is a brief shot of what I'm doing. Basically, I am extending the 2x10 from this side to this side, so I can have a bigger opening in the middle. Okay. Woo! Oh man. Okay, I'm tired now. Oh, no, I'm so close. Just gotta make one more of these bad boys and I'm good to go. Okay, now that they're in place, let's nail these bad boys in place. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some PEX here, and I've actually never worked with PEX before. I've only sweat pipes, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. However, I've never used this stuff, and oh my goodness. If it actually works, I'm skeptical that I did this correctly, but if it actually works, this is the easiest put together for plumbing ever. I can figure out. Ooh, I feel better at it. Okay, the lighting is all uneven, and this is going to be quick, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys my progress. Which, when I mean progress, I mean that I finished. I used the existing lines and just tapped into them, and then I brought it all the way up, and then I had them tee right here. Nice little elbow joint. Nice, very nice. And then, if you could see up there, which obviously you can't, so I'm going to cue to the next guy. Hey guy, are you up there? Yeah bud, all good to go. I got it from here. So, upstairs guy coming at you. So, PEX pipes were up here, came up here, they were crimped to these copper pipes that are right here. I had to sweat those with some propane, or butylene? Whatever, gas. And I got the sweating job done, which is awesome. I'll probably do a tutorial on sweating because it is a fine art. And a lot of safety issues there. I didn't really want you guys to watch me do that because I wouldn't be able to concentrate in commentary. Anyways, I want to make sure that nothing leaked, which it didn't. I had these towels here just in case. But no, nothing leaked, so this is what it's gonna look like. And on the next episode, I'm going to be putting in waste piping. So, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was all over the place, but stay tuned. There will be more adventures from Handyman. Oh yeah.
Next time on the Adventures of Handyman.